What's up, fam? It's your girl Shereen Nicole, back with another review. So in today's review, we're going to be talking about this product called Glow. Now, this is for hair, skin, and nails, honey. We want to be healthy, hydrated, and all that good jazz. So let's go ahead and open her up and jump right in. It has a tight grip, y'all. Oh, that is so unique. So you know me and this tiny writing, okay? We don't get down like that. But if I find any information on it, I will definitely put it up on the screen so you guys can see that, because we need to know all the ingredients and nutrients that we're putting in our body, honey, okay? So when you open it, it does come like so. And I love that because I'm thinking I pop this off and the pills are just gonna go flying everywhere, but they didn't. So you have an airtight sealed container, and this is what the pills are looking like, honey. So let's go ahead and jump right into that. Well, first things first, they smell normal. They don't smell medicine-y or anything like that. They almost have a hint of syrup. So that's a plus in my book because that means it ain't gonna taste crazy. So this is what the pill size is looking like. Almost like the size of the tip of your nose, pretty much. So that's not bad. And I'll just show you guys the pill right here so you guys can see it in its entirety. Oop, and not drop it. So this is what the pill is looking like right here. So I'm pretty sure that this capsule is going to go down ever so smoothly because it has that nice gel coating on the exterior. And so I'm here for that. Now, I won't be taking this today, and I really did want to take it, but I won't be taking it today for the simple fact that I've already taken a lot of vitamins and I don't want to interfere with those. So I'm going to hold off on taking this vitamin, but baby, it's looking like a go. It's looking like it's gonna dissolve really good. Like the outside, I wouldn't say it's per se gel. It's like this kind of material that feels like it's going to dissolve quick into your system. So I'm definitely here for that. And once again, like I said, I will definitely put all the properties up on the screen or at the end of this video. So I hope this helped. And yeah, let's glow up together, honey, okay? Bye.